Hello, Namaste and welcome to Indian Talent Olympiad ITO. We are India's biggest Olympiads. And why do we say so? Because there are so many students, like more than 1 crore students, more than 42,000 schools connected with us. Now the question comes, why so many students, their parents, school principals, teachers, they trust us, and why are they connected with us? There are many answers to this and we have already discussed these answers in our previous videos. Today we are going to show what all we give to the students and principals, how we recognize their efforts, their achievements at ITO. To discuss it in detail, I am going to share this Achievers Kit with you. We are going to look what are the contents inside this kit, who received this kit, like which students, schools received this kit, and how your school can also be eligible for receiving it. Now it's really heavy because there are so many things inside it. I'll just keep it on the table and then show it to you. Before showing you the contents of this Achievers Kit, let me tell you that we conduct examinations in 2 rounds. Round number 1 is held in the months of November and December, and the students who clear it, who are toppers in that round, they are eligible to give round 2. Now round 1 report cards and certificates are shared with the school in the month of January and February. So for example, if your child has given round 1 in November or December 2025, okay, then his report card and certificate will reach the school in January or February 2026. After clearing round 1, he or she will be eligible to give round 2. Round 2 is held in the month of February. So for example, 2025 round 1, so 2026 February will be round 2. And the certificate and report card for the round 2 reaches the school in the month of April or May. In case your child emerges as the state topper or the national level topper, then the Achievers Kit that I just showed to you, it will reach your child's school in the month of June or July. And as said, this Achievers Kit is not just for the child. The school principals and teachers are also given their fair due. So how are they recognized? For this, you have to watch the video till the end, because now I am going to show you the contents of the kit. Here's a big man of the match check, like given in various cricket tournaments or maybe sports tournaments. Here your child's name will be mentioned. This is just a sample name. And over here it will be mentioned that whether your child is a state topper or a national level topper. So it's a big certificate that always makes kids happy. Next will be a check like this. Here the child's name will be there. This is just for sample reference, and here the amount will be mentioned. Then in this beautiful case will be a glittering gold medal for the state level topper. Isn't it nice and beautiful? Now these are the medals for class toppers. So every class topper will receive a gold medal. Then the second position holder will get this silver medal, and the third position holder will get this bronze medal. Let's go through all these things one by one. These are the things that will be received by the school principals and the teachers. The first thing is this leather folder. Now in this leather folder, you will be getting information about the Little Champs Olympiad conducted by ITO. So here this envelope has been shown in detail in my previous video. You can watch it. I'll share the link in the description box. Over here will be a check. So this will be the Best Principal Award. Then this invitation letter for participation in Indian Talent Olympiad examinations. The name of the examination and the dates of the examinations will be given here. This is an envelope in which various other things are there. The contents of this envelope has also been covered in the previous video. Do check it out. I'll share the link in the description box. Next comes this box, and in this box is this Golden School Award. This is appreciation for the school, the staff, the principals and teachers involved in organizing the Indian Talent Olympiad in their schools. Then we have this big envelope, and in this we have a certificate packed beautifully. This is the framed certificate that came out of the box, and again to remind you that the names mentioned over here are just for reference. The certificate is accompanied by this congratulations letter. Here is a booklet Best Principal Award, and in this booklet, the principals, the schools that have achieved well in that particular year have been mentioned. Now, this is something really important. It is a comprehensive guide to cracking the Olympiads. So this magazine will answer each and every question related to Olympiad. I'm sure the schools, the teachers, the principals have so many questions. Everything will be resolved through this magazine. Then there is another magazine, and this magazine highlights the achievements of Indian Talent Olympiads, the achievement of the students, and again the schools. Here are some more diaries for the principals and the teachers. Now, I am a teacher by profession, and I'm sure, like I can vouch for it, that books and diaries, stationery are the teacher's best friend. So haven't I given you so many reasons to register for ITO Olympiads? If you're watching this video as a teacher or a principal, kindly register your school for ITO Olympiads. And if you're watching as a parent, you can also go in for individual registrations. Now it's time for me to sign off. But for more such informative videos, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.